Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss an important position in a professional kitchen, the Demi Chef de Partie. The Demi Chef de Partie is a junior culinary professional who supports the chef de partie and helps manage food preparation and cooking activities within a particular kitchen section. But what exactly does a Demi Chef de Partie do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is a Demi Chef de Partie. A Demi Chef de Partie is a kitchen professional who works under the supervision of a chef de partie or senior chef and assists with food preparation, cooking, plating, cleaning, and other activities within an assigned kitchen section. In simple words, a Demi Chef de Partie helps the kitchen team prepare ingredients, cook food according to standards, maintain cleanliness, organize the workstation, and support the chef de partie during service. The exact responsibilities depend on the hotel, restaurant, kitchen section, and organization. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of a Demi Chef de Partie. One of the main responsibilities is food preparation. The Demi Chef de Partie prepares ingredients such as vegetables, meat, seafood, sauces, garnishes, and other items according to the requirements of the assigned kitchen section. Another important responsibility is mise en place. Mise en place means preparing and organizing all the required ingredients, equipment, and materials before cooking and service begins. Another major duty is assisting with cooking. The Demi Chef de Partie cooks or assists with cooking dishes according to recipes, kitchen standards, and instruction from senior chefs. Another important responsibility is supporting the chef de partie. They assist the chef de partie with daily kitchen operations and help ensure that the assigned section is ready for service. Another duty is maintaining food quality. They follow recipes, portion specifications, presentation standards, and cooking procedures to help maintain consistency. Another important responsibility is plating and presentation. They help arrange dishes according to the restaurant or hotel's presentation standards before food is sent to customers. Another duty is checking ingredients. They may check the availability and condition of ingredients and inform the senior chef when items need to be replenished. Another important responsibility is maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. They keep the workstation, utensils, equipment, and preparation areas clean and follow the kitchen's food safety and hygiene procedures. Another duty is proper food storage. They help store ingredients correctly and follow procedures for labeling, temperature control, stock rotation, and preventing cross-contamination. Another important responsibility is controlling food waste. They should use ingredients carefully and follow the kitchen's procedures for waste reduction and disposal. Another duty is supporting kitchen service. During busy service periods, the Demi Chef de Partie works efficiently with other kitchen staff to prepare and send orders on time. Now, let's discuss the daily work of a Demi Chef de Partie. A typical day may begin by checking the assigned kitchen section and preparing the required ingredients and equipment. The Demi Chef de Partie completes mise en place and ensures that the workstation is ready before service. During service, they prepare or cook assigned dishes, coordinate with other kitchen staff, maintain food quality, and respond to instructions from the chef de partie. They may replenish ingredients, maintain cleanliness, and help manage the section during busy periods. After service, they help clean and organize the workstation, store remaining ingredients correctly, check stock requirements, and prepare the section for the next shift. The exact daily routine depends on the kitchen section and establishment. Now let's talk about the skills required to become a Demi Chef de Partie. The first important skill is basic culinary knowledge. They should understand common cooking methods, ingredients, kitchen equipment, food preparation, and basic recipes. The second important skill is knife skills. They should be able to safely and efficiently perform common cutting and preparation techniques appropriate to their role. Another important skill is mise en place management. They should know how to prepare and organize ingredients before service. Another useful skill is time management. Professional kitchens can be fast-paced, so tasks need to be completed efficiently and in the correct order. Another important skill is food hygiene and safety. They should understand safe food handling, cleanliness, storage, temperature control, and prevention of cross-contamination. Teamwork is also essential. Kitchen operations depend on coordination between chefs, kitchen assistants, stewards, and service teams. Another important skill is attention to detail. Portion sizes, cooking times, seasoning, presentation, and cleanliness all require careful attention. Ability to follow recipes and instructions is also important because professional kitchens often operate according to standardized procedures. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good Demi Chef de Partie. A good Demi Chef de Partie should be disciplined, hardworking, punctual, organized, patient, responsible, adaptable, and willing to learn. Another important quality is calmness under pressure. Kitchen service can become extremely busy, so the chef needs to remain focused and organized. Cleanliness and hygiene consciousness are also essential in a professional kitchen. Another important quality is team spirit. A kitchen works as a team, and good coordination is necessary for efficient service. Attention to detail is also important because food quality and presentation depend on consistent execution. Another quality is willingness to learn. A Demi Chef de Partie can learn new recipes, cooking techniques, cuisines, equipment, and kitchen management practices from senior chefs. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary depending on the employer. Many hotels and restaurants prefer candidates with a certificate, diploma, or degree in culinary arts, hotel management, food production, or a related hospitality field. Relevant kitchen experience can also be important. Candidates who have worked as a commis chef or in another entry-level kitchen position may progress into a Demi Chef de Partie role as they gain experience. Practical cooking skills, food safety knowledge, and the ability to work in a professional kitchen are important. Now let's look at some common workplaces for Demi Chef de Parties. They can work in hotels, restaurants, resorts, clubs, catering companies, cruise ships, institutional kitchens, banquet kitchens, and other food service establishments. The assigned kitchen section may include areas such as hot kitchen, cold kitchen, pastry, bakery, garde-manger, grill, sauce, or other specialized sections, depending on the establishment. Now let's discuss the career path of a Demi Chef de Partie. With experience and improved culinary skills, a Demi Chef de Partie may progress to Chef de Partie, followed by roles such as junior sous chef, and eventually executive chef, depending on experience, qualifications, and opportunities. Developing skills in multiple cuisines, specialized cooking techniques, menu knowledge, food costing, kitchen operations, leadership, and team management can support career growth. Before applying for a Demi Chef de Partie position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the kitchen section, cuisine type, working hours, shift requirements, experience requirements, food safety responsibilities, physical demands, and qualification requirements. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. A Demi Chef de Partie supports the kitchen team through mise en place, food preparation, cooking, plating, stock support, hygiene, food storage, waste control, workstation organization, and service support. Important skills include culinary knowledge, knife skills, cooking techniques, mise en place, time management, food hygiene, teamwork, attention to detail, and following recipes and instructions. Important qualities include discipline, punctuality, hard work, patience, organization, responsibility, adaptability, teamwork, cleanliness, and willingness to learn. For people interested in culinary arts, hotels, restaurants, food production, and hospitality, a Demi Chef de Partie position can be an excellent step toward a professional chef career. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the Demi Chef de Partie job description, job role, roles, responsibilities, daily duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.